how affirmations can change your life and get you every single thing you desire. Do you know that your day doesn't start when you wake up and jump out the bed, but it actually starts the night before? As you go to sleep tonight, I want you to hack your brain. What I want you to do is I want you to fall asleep, take 5 minutes before you fall asleep, and I want you just to take those few minutes to just be grateful, to quiet your mind. Think about all the good things in life, not what happened to you, not what somebody did to you, but I want you to take the last 5 minutes to just sit and think about good things that happened throughout the day. Point them out, and then I want you to take a few minutes to whisper an affirmation to yourself. I want you, as you're drifting off to sleep, just to speak out loud, and it's important that you speak up and say it out your mouth. But I want you just to say this: I am so happy and grateful that I see money rushing toward me. Abundance fills my life. I'm so grateful that I wake up with more than enough. I'm grateful that I wake up with wealth and prosperity and riches. I'm so grateful that every need and desire is met. And I am excited that I get to enjoy life all the days of my life. All right, so you can adjust it. You don't have to make it that long. You can make it shorter if you want, but just saying those things before you go to sleep. And sometimes I affirm that, and then I say, I'm going to have a dream about what I just affirmed. I'm going to have a dream about prosperity, about riches, about wealth. I'm going to have a dream about seeing money rushing toward me. I'm going to have a dream about how that can actually happen. I'll remember the dream. I will record the dream, and I will actually take action steps on the dream. I say that out loud as well. And I go to sleep, and a lot of times I actually have a dream about abundance and an idea, an opportunity, or sometimes even something comes to me to just go meet somebody, to call somebody. There's so many times that I would wake up in the morning and be like, call this person or call that person, and they would be the answer that I needed to make what I had just affirmed come to pass. All right, so get your affirmation. You can say mine that I just said, or you can come up with your own. And to get your subconscious mind program, you can say it once, but a lot of times just saying it over and over again. Say it like 7 times before you drift off to sleep. Or you can record it and let it play, but I need you to say it at least once. You got to open your mouth and speak it. Affirmation is affirming you saying something out loud. I'm telling you that this will change the game for you. When you do this, your subconscious mind, while you're sleeping, will go to work on causing what you said to show up in your life. You'll get direction, you'll get guidance, you'll get understanding of what to do and how to do it, so that you can make manifest those things that you spoke out loud. So it's really important. Don't let anybody talk you out of affirmations. Words are very spiritual. The most spiritual thing you can do is speak. You have to speak your way into your destiny. You got to speak your way into salvation. You got to speak your way into everything that you want in your life. What you want to manifest, you have to say it. Hey, this is a perfect place to stop and tell you about my exciting Women in Wealth Club. This is the ultimate online community where you get personalized consulting, accountability, systems, and virtual assistants to keep you focused. We're probably more extreme about your goals than you're used to, but if you really want to get serious about your goals and achieve them in record-breaking time, then extreme is exactly what you need. So click the link below to reserve a spot. All right, back to the video. All the times that I wanted something big to happen in my life, I would affirm it, I would say it, and then I would see it, and it would show up. It's simple as that. And you just stick to it until it manifests. But affirmations are so wonderful, they're so powerful. You are created to create. You have creation power on the inside of you. And if you would just open your mouth and speak to those things that you desire, you would see them show up in your life, and you would see them show up big. All right? So don't feel like you're delayed. Don't feel like you're denied. All you got to do is speak up and speak your dreams into existence, and it will come to pass. So what I want to hear is your victory reports. I want to hear that you practiced what I said, that you did it, and at least do it. Don't put something under my page and say, I did it for 2 days. You got to do this for at least 14 days. Tell me you did it for 14 days and nothing happened. I'm telling you, then I'll have to get an agreement with you for something to move. But if you do this for 14 days, you're going to see some movement towards your manifestation, and you're going to be really happy that you started this practice. All right, so go affirm and watch what happens. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this one, you're going to love the other ones. I'm telling you, they're exciting. Also, click the link below and check out my free offer. I have something really exciting I want to get to you.